How to create product showcase with video on Wix. So in order to do that, I'm actually right here onto the product page, and on your showcase, you should be able to see the image as well as other videos been added right there. Now, if you want to add in here a video, what you can do is you can just head over to your products and then just find your products from in here that has that particular page. So for example, for this one, let's head over and add in here something. So here's our product. You can head over and then just click on this right here. Click on this edit product. And then after you have done that, this will load for a few seconds. So from in there, you can add some more images as well as some videos. Click on this plus icon right here. Click on this videos option. And then from in there, just upload in here a video that you want to use. So it will open your Wix gallery. Now, if your video is not from here, you can click on this upload media option. And then you can upload from your local computer. So let's just wait for this. And then click on this right here. Now the video has been added, so it may take some time as well for this to load. But once it's done, you can head over and save it, and it should be able to apply to your Wix website. So that's how you create the product showcase with video on Wix. Hope we helped.